In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn your images into videos with Higgsfield AI. So you need an Higgsfield AI account, and once you create your account and have your account and have, for example, a paid subscription, you can go ahead and turn your images into videos. So it's easy to do. Hover over image and click on create. From here, you can go ahead and click the plus on the lower left side here to upload your images if you want to, and then you can just say whatever you want the prompt to be, right? And so it will generate that into a video for you. Now, as we're speaking about to turn your images into videos, let's say you have your image already generated. You can hover over any image and you will see a play button or video button. This, like a video button, will allow you to animate it. So you can either click it from here or click on the image to expand it and then click animate, whichever one, and it's gonna now animate the video for you. So as you can see right here, I have the image and I can now go ahead and choose what I want it to do. So this is a prompt that is there. So I can just remove that prompt and I can say monkey swimming in the pool, for example. Right? The image is there and I just click on generate. As you can see right there, it's currently it's gonna generate this from the image that is there. And yeah, you can use existing prompts that you have. You can use your own prompt. You can type it in. You can use your own images, and even image that you already generated, you can use it as well to generate. So let's just wait for it to do its thing and we will see the end result in a moment or so. All right, guys. So here you can see that the video is done, and I'm going to play it so that you can see what it made from the image that we had. So have a look at this. That's really funny. And that's it, guys. That's how easy it is to turn your images into videos. That's really interesting, right? It's funny the monkey is just swimming in the pool right there. It's really cool. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So what I recommend that if you want to turn your images into videos, that's how you do it. You can use X3 AI to get some really cool and realistic videos. Or if you have images that you want to turn into videos, or if you have prompts that you want to convert into videos, you can do it from this section as well. So you have a whole lot of features here and that you can use. You have a whole lot of stuff. And I'm going to show you a few more things that I've done. This is, for example, image that I've generated, and it's me, my son, my wife. This is from a real image, by the way, and that I have basically used the X field. So we're actually in white, right? And we turn it into cartoonic image, and then from there, I said basically change my shirt to a hoodie, red hoodie, and then we basically make a video from it. It's really cool. So yeah, that's it. You can easily turn your photos into videos, very easy and very simple with Xfield AI.